got an email. What? Mommy, Daddy! Mommy! Mommy, Daddy, oh my God.
What is it?
Look.
Oh my God, come look. Take a look at this.
Mommy, oh my
College
God.
acceptance letter.
Dear Carrie Smith, we want to congratulate you on your acceptance to the medical program at university. Oh my God!
In Switzerland, report to the Dean's of Office by date with
All the required documents to complete the admission process. We pride ourselves in providing only the best for our students. Our university provides a state-of-the-art infrastructure, library, and world-renowned professors. Thank you. Oh my God!
Jesus.
But that got a really good. Thank you, Jesus. But that, oh my God, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, my daughter.
Oh my God, Mommy.
I'm so God is great. God answer all the prayers. Father God, a really good thing.
Sit down and relax yourself now.
Jesus, God, a really good. Oh my God, let me take a seat. My foot them are weak. My daughter, I knew this day would come.
God
I
not
knew
sleep.
it would make us proud.
You hear that? Yeah, man.
Daddy?
It's not alright, man. No money have to go spend, you know.
So my daughter, right now, you have the free time right now. You have the freedom. Just use it up. You can go anywhere. You can go check your friend if you want to. You can go get an ice cream. I'm going to give you some money. And you just go do anything you want to do. You have like 2 hours on the road, alright? Right, honey?
Yeah, man. Can go on, man.
I'm going to go get some money first. Oh, God! I am so happy like I win the lottery. My daughter, I am so proud of you. You make your mother proud. You can just go. Do what you want to do.
Mommy,
Enjoy
me not be
yourself.
Come back
here.
into, you know you don't have to take, listen to me.
So enjoy yourself.
You don't need shower this time of the day, you know. You don't need to bed. Listen to me. We need all this money to give to you at this time what we're going to use pay water rate. So nobody be and run up the water rate bill. We needed to save that for us. My daughter, I am so happy. You don't even know what you did for me. Right about now, just go on. I don't want you beat off your luck. I don't want you wash off your luck. Go on, my daughter. Remember to look up and down when you cross. Oh, come here, stop. Remember not to tell anyone your business, alright? Just keep it on a low profile. Enjoy yourself and be you.
Yes, Mommy.
Yeah. Spin a roll 95 times. No, we can't out here.
Mommy, you go with this. Mommy, you go with this.
I want to just happy. I feel pain with that.
Hey.
One. Proud of you. What we picking? What for me one seed? Honey, I'm so proud of that. Oh, why you acting like you're not happy for her?
Relax, man. Let me feel comfortable, man.
Imagine. Yo, I'm super happy.
What do you mean, man? Scholarship that are foreign, you know.
I'm so proud of my daughter.
Tell you. Come here, come
Our daughter.
make one more baby like that.
Yeah. Imagine. God is good, man. But you know, I hope she not go advertise it to her friend, you know. She will hold it down. That's what you should teach your daughter, our daughter. Teach her how to keep her mouth and shut her bottom.
Not true, man, because she tell them and they mash her up, you know.
Exactly. Remember, that's the same thing that happened to my cousin.
You know, friend,
That
bad
passed
mind
out.
and tan already.
But Father God, I'm happy. Put aside the negativity and all of that. With that, I got scholarship. You know, we have to celebrate.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we have to celebrate, and she said she needed a laptop. We have to go and get her the laptop and throw
Before
her
she
a
come home,
party.
we'll just cook some good food and drink up some juice later.
Exactly. Yes, I'm gonna make her our favorite meal.
We have to go keep a surprise party. We can't cook it. We can't bake, you know.
Yeah. Remember you're a baker and so. And you can cook in nice soup what she love.
Yeah, man. And
I'm
call,
gonna make
and
her
call
favorite.
over some of my friend them. I can't go on, man.
I'm just super excited for my child. Oh my. Anyways, honey, I'm going to the supermarket because we have some stuff that we need to grab.
Do what you have to do and follow.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hello, Lala.
Yes?
Good afternoon. It's Ashley, Kara's mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm here with my husband and my daughter. I'm super excited. It's a whole lot, but my daughter is on her way down there. We're having a surprise party for her because she gets some scholarship and such like that, you know. She's
Yeah.
coming to all the good news and everything.
Yeah.
But how did you school? What about you with your school work and stuff? You made it through?
Yes, I made it through.
Okay, nice, great. You know, I'm proud of you. I'm always proud of you, and I love that my daughter is keeping the right kind of friend and the right kind of company. Anyhow, don't keep her down there too long for me because we're planning a surprise party, so just let you stay there for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm so proud. Your mother must be proud of you.
Very proud. Okay, ma'am. Come, my little girl, if you are coming, come.
My mother, she happy. She said me can go anywhere me want go. She said me not to go for beer. Me fi just go on the road and enjoy myself. The money we go towards the college fund.
Me happy for your friends. No, we need to have a quick pause. You can't stay long doing it because we have to go out later. We have to all treat and me here.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, my
Me
friend.
a come, me go feed cook them. Me go feed shot glass.
Alright, go on, hurry up.
Yeah, get accepted in college. And me not get accepted. And I may go through high school. And I help waste my time. Alright. What's your joke? What's your joke? That spoon is not good again. I'm going to sleep, but I'm not so tough that I need that spoon missing.
The Bluetooth device is connected.
My friend! College. Come, Miguel. Hey, come. Now, I get jump too early because remember say we have come. To us. Yes, Miguel. Yes, girl.
It's nice, man.
Mm-hmm. Alright, don't know. Yeah, well, come. I say we go out later, you know, so you have to hurry up and do it.
Hey, later. We want magic over
Yeah,
there.
man, we'll go out here later, 7 o'clock sharp.
Right.
Good girl. Yeah.
Kill off my daughter. It's alright, man. Them kill off.